so that we can all see the tasks that is expected of us. If anybody has it in Word document, I think because I did a picture cut and paste, that's why I'm not able to send. I don't know. But I'm just going to read it out since we all have decided to work on it. And we have itemized tasks. So the name of our company is Eco Power Solution. So that's the name of our company. And the itemized task is initiation phase, planning phase, execution phase, monitoring and control, and closure. So when I was looking at it, I'm like, does this fit into onboarding, ongoing, offboarding, or it's just like we just have to look at strictly focus on this? So I see that there's no offboarding there. There's a little bit of onboarding exercise that has to be done, or preparation stage, so to speak, preparation stage. But it doesn't look to me like there's any onboarding or ongoing. If anybody has an idea about how to address this before I go on about what I think.
So, from what I understood, your question was like onboarding the vendor, or
Hello?
yeah. Um, was that you that asked the last question about onboarding?
Yes.
Um, I feel like we need
Okay.
to proceed like the vendors are already been onboarded, and this is just like an annual risk assessment.
If you look at the initiation stage, it doesn't look like onboarding to me. It's saying we should review existing TPRM policies and procedures, and that is usually done by the company, not by the vendor. We're to review, like you have just been hired, and so you have to review the company's existing TPRM policies and procedures, and then identify key stakeholders. So by the time you review that, that's maybe we might divide each of us to the people that would still work together, but some people would just review the TPRM policies of an as that is as already existing and the procedures, then identify the key stakeholders, and then you schedule a meeting, the very initial meeting with the stakeholders. And who are these stakeholders? To my understanding, the stakeholders is comprises of the suppliers. You have the procurement manager. You have the strategic, the auditors. So these are the stakeholders that we need to represent. Each of us. Some people are definitely going to be key stakeholders. Some people are going to be acting as the procurement manager. Some people will be speaking as the supply chain expert, and some people are going to be acting as the vendors. So we all of us will be interacting with each other. So in the phase one, when your assignment falls in phase one, you schedule the meeting, and then right even in this particular Zoom meeting, you schedule a meeting, and then we attend to the meeting. And then the planning stage is telling us that we should develop a project charter outlining the project objectives. What are our project objectives, scope, and deliverables? Then we should establish a cross-functional TPRM team. So some of us will be acting in this role. Then conduct a risk assessment to identify critical vendors and the potential risk. So the cross-functional team members were like, okay, what are these risks that the vendors come with, the potential and the residual? So, just down the line like that, are we all looking at, do we all have access to what I'm reading from the MYIT University platform?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I really wish I couldn't copy it. I
I
wish I could put it
posted
in
the
the message.
I posted the link in the chat. Um, it's the Google project link, and it outlines what Ramsey is going over.
Especially for those that were not, how many people were not here on Saturday? Let's know how many people we have to carry along.
So it's me.
Charity, were you originally assigned to this group on Saturday?
So on Saturday, I wasn't. I couldn't attend, but so I had one of the members basically ask you guys, I think.
So Charity, you're one of the people that jumped the fence.
The jump the what?
You jumped the fence inside. Okay.
Yeah, she's a part of Miss Tammy's class. So
Yeah, I'm part of the class.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's
but
just
if you don't come on Saturday, you can't join the group. No problem.
But
We're here now.
yeah,
We're here.
the
oh
thing is, most of the people that are supposed to be here are not here. So
Okay.
whoever is willing to help, we got
Okay.
to
No
get them
problem.
help.
Yeah, let's roll. Let's roll.
Yeah.
So
Do you want to share the screen? You want to share a screen of
oh
the?
yeah, that didn't even occur to me because I'm not really familiar with this cheat sheet stuff. Where do you share your screen here?
Arrow,
Right.
the
Let me
arrow at the
see.
bottom.
it's right next to the video.
Oh yeah, yeah. How come I didn't think of that? Just been busy,
Hello?
busy
Um,
thinking of. Okay, hold on a minute,
Can I
please.
here,